So, hi students. Today at RVM CAD Bangalore, we have a very important news to share that this is our first student who got placed. So, congratulations, Kallesh.
Thank you, sir.
Kallesh took admission in July, around the 18th or 19th of July. And in just 2 months, less than 2 months actually, he got a job and he did Autocad and NX from us. And we have also made a list of all the questions that the company asked. So, first of all, congratulations again. And what is your profile? We also took your mock interview.
Sir.
So, what is your profile? Just, what did you do before?
The opportunity to introduction myself.
Thank
myself, Kallesh CK. I'm
Before joining RVM CAD.
Sir, I did some Java things that after completing the graduation.
But you did graduation in mechanical.
Mechanical, but not getting much impossible because it's tough and also company's registration is also there. I'm not getting placed on that one.
But you are a it's okay. You are a resident of Karnataka. Only.
Karnataka only.
Which city?
Davangere.
Where is that?
200 kilometers.
200 kilometers. So you came here and living on a PG. You came specially for RVM CAD, or were you in Bangalore?
I am in Bangalore because I graduated in Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Bengaluru.
Don Bosco. Okay.
Here. And after getting in Rajajinagar, I joined the Chase Brothers. After that one.
Okay.
In Rajajinagar also there. That's why I preferred that Rajajinagar.
Okay. And this Java course, why did you do that?
Booming is the is there.
So did you apply for any jobs?
After getting my graduation, software is directly booming, and afterward taking students from mechanical also. That's why I joined.
Okay, but then you reshifted back to mechanical field. So what did you do from RVM CAD?
Sir, in Autocad and UGNX I did, and up to advanced models we did.
So now you know sheet metal, mold, all these things.
Mold, core cavity and extraction.
Okay. Now, how many interviews in total did you give?
Sir, two.
Two interviews. No, three.
Three. I did.
Okay. And yesterday is the one you got selected.
Yesterday.
Okay. So I remember that yours was the longest interview.
Yes, sir.
So he took almost 45 minutes with the company. So what was he asking you? Because he's made a whole list. So I want the students to also understand what exactly do they ask. So what were they asking you in that interview? How did it start?
Sir, first he is asking the first self-introduction, and he is aware with an English only. And
he didn't ask in local language.
No,
okay.
he is preferred with in English.
Okay.
And after getting what you made project, and also
what projects, like which projects?
Automatic segregation machines.
College projects you're talking about.
In college project he asked, and I already mentions in resume also. And internship, where did you get internship? What did you do? HVAC, I did an HVAC, heat ventilation, air conditioning. That one I did an internship. That's one a little bit he asked internship about internship, and what you learn in engineering also, and why you join mechanical also is asked.
Everything like introduction. Okay. What about the technical questions?
Technical questions.
Yes, Mr. You've made a list now. You can just let me know what technical questions are asked.
First, he asked first angle position and the second, third angle.
I asked that in mock interview also. First and third angle.
And why second angle and fourth angle is not used? And he is asked.
Okay, he asked that also.
Why not used? And he is asked.
Okay.
After importance of GD&T and tolerance. Why importance?
Okay, why is it used?
Why it is used? And difference between torque and power.
I also asked that difference
torque and power, and I also ask symbols.
Symbols of
symbols.
Okay.
Symbols ask, and Young's modulus. What is Young's modulus?
Young's modulus. Okay, that's stress strain curve.
And the bending moment. What is the bending moment?
Okay, so basically he asked you about all sorts of mechanical theory based questions.
And he is asked what you subject in relevant. I tell subject.
Relevant subjects as in, like, I didn't understand.
So what you done in colleges?
Okay.
Subjects
related to mechanical, like CAD and SOM.
He is asked which preferable.
Strength of materials. Okay.
I met strength of material.
Okay. And any other thing, symbol of torque, Okay, why you join as a mechanical engineering? What is bending moment? So you were able to answer everything?
Sir. Like almost all I answered, but some questions I.
Okay, and then he also explained about the company.
Company also he explained.
What will you be required to do? Like, what is your role there?
It's a multitasking. First, the 3D model is converted into the 2D model. 2D drawings. SolidWorks 3D model to convert to the AutoCAD drafting, and after drafting, we can make that list. Whatever the list, it's we have to plan what should be required. And those are we have to plan. There's a multitask. Okay. So a lot of multitasking things will be done, but it is related to design. It is a design.
So that is what I am telling most of my students, that don't, like, companies are coming, every day, but they don't want only CAD design. They want things related to that CAD design. CAD design is just a tool, right?
Sir.
So even in the future, let's say you get a job in procurement, you get a job in R&D, CAD design is just one part of the whole scenario. That's why when people think that they will do CAD design course from here, they'll become a CAD designer. It doesn't work like that. You have to do CAD design, you have to do mechanical concepts also. You have to then be willing to work in anything. But I'm not saying work in quality or as an assembly supervisor. CAD will be used in your role, but don't think you will just be sitting in front of a computer and doing CAD. There will be. That's why he also told you to do Excel.
Excel also.
Because he will give you some data also. He will give you the price list also. Maybe So you need to be a multi-talented person, and then in a few years you can become a specialist also. Okay, good. So about the salary, what did he tell you? Did he tell anything?
He is not disclosing, but he is.
No, he told it to me. So, but he will give you PF and all those things also, and he will upgrade the salary very quick. So, any other suggestions for us? Because I know initially there were some problems in classes because we just started, but now I hope the course was completed. Everything was completed on time.
Everything is fine, sir. There's much good quality of. Lab is there. That's why we sitting and
practicing.
Good.
And Ritik also is very good faculty.
Very good faculty.
Okay. Yeah. So even in the future, if you can come, it's free of cost. You can come for practicing. You can come for doubt sessions. You can come if you have any problem in AutoCAD. At work also, you can bring those projects here and even come on the weekends.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.